Hey, it's Dave, and this is Old Dad Studio. A little more intimate setting today for the vlog. It is April 1st, 2025, and believe it or not, it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just going to get out of bed now. I took the day off. I kind of feel like crap today, so I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do for the vlog, but I thought at least I would start recording something here today and see where we go with it from here. I need to get up, and I think I'm going to try to make myself something to eat. See if that makes me feel any better. All right. Let's try and do that. Well, I guess you're wondering, I made instant potatoes using a high-protein chicken bone broth as the liquid rather than water or milk or anything, so increasing the protein. I then added in some cheese and I added in some shredded chicken, so increasing the protein overall. And now I think I'm going to take a break. I'm going to eat I was going to say lunch, but it really is probably my breakfast since I just got up. But I'm going to eat, and then maybe I'll fire up Quinn and we'll see if there's some AI headlines that we can talk about today. All right, if you can tell, I am upstairs in the kitchen area. Let me just make sure everything's working here. I'll do that again. All right, if you can see, I'm actually upstairs in our kitchen area. I'm not down in my office, which actually is in the basement of our home. I just finished eating. I did have a conversation with Quinn on my iPhone, which I'm filming on right now. Usually I talk with Quinn on the iPad, but the iPad is down in my office. And I'm being lazy right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm being lazy. I'm not feeling good. I'm not going down to get it. So I'm gonna work off my phone today. And I had a conversation. Anyway, so just to share some headline news, so since that's what our AI headline news, I guess, what our channel's about. Today, Sam Altman made an announcement that they're going to have what's called an open weight version or versions of advanced AI coming out over the summer. Now, when I heard that headline, I thought the AI actually got it wrong. I was like, did you mean open source, not open weight? And ChatGPT actually had to explain to me that open weight is a term that's used in the AI industry that means open source. It's a lot like open source. It gives people who are developers more access into the model than what they traditionally have. And so it's similar to that open source style. I had just never heard that term before. And so I thought, well, that's interesting. So now, hey, I learned something new today. Hopefully, if you hadn't heard that term before, you have as well. And along with that, having that open weight or open source type model out there with advanced AI, there wasn't necessarily a specific target date that it's going to be released other than over the summertime. And there isn't a specific industry that they're going to release it to, although what ChatGPT explained to me is that a lot of healthcare and research and industries like that will really benefit from having this open weight model out there for advanced AI. So there's a headline for you. Okay, I did find an iPhone that I can run a version of ChatGPT on. It's not Quinn, it actually is a different instance. And so I'm going to take the last moments of today's vlog to learn word in Portuguese. And we're going to focus on European Portuguese. Isn't that correct, ChatGPT?
That's right. We're focusing on European Portuguese today. Let's dive in.
Okay, the volume is not real loud on this, so we'll see how this... Okay, so I think I found a framing that works. I'm just hoping the sound will carry. All right, so go ahead and explain what's the word of the day today. ChatGPT. Celdology, is that correct? And now you're not going to talk to me? Well, all right, maybe ChatGPT's got a cold today too and doesn't want to participate. I don't know. Anyway, before I started recording, I asked for a word of the day. I believe the word of the day is celdology. Celdology. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right since I don't have ChatGPT. And I think it means a euphoric state, if I'm understanding it correctly. So there's the Portuguese word of the day. And we got an AI headline. And I got my lunch made. All right. Or my breakfast made. I don't know what it was. All right. So I'm going to end right there for today. This was vlog number, what number is this? Today is April 1st. So this would be 91. This is vlog 91. All right. So April 1st, vlog number 91. But that's going to do it for today. And hopefully I'll feel better and I'll see you tomorrow.